In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention a Jira issue in the description or comment field. Whether you're collaborating with your team or simply trying to organize your tasks better, knowing how to directly link Jira issues is incredibly useful. Let's make sure you're doing this with ease and confidence. First things first, you'll want to start by going to the project that you're currently working on. This step is crucial because Jira organizes issues within specific projects. You'll want to be in the right workspace to ensure that everything you're linking is relevant and correctly filed. Accessing your project usually involves selecting it from your Jira dashboard or menu, which provides a clear path to the workspace you need. Once you're firmly in the right project, direct your attention to the top of your screen and click on the Issues option. This will lead you to a list displaying all issues and tickets associated with the project you've chosen. After navigating through to the issues, you'll need to identify and select the specific Jira issue where you wish to mention another issue. The interface will display detailed information about your selected issue, giving you a great overview of where you stand. Here's where some strategic referencing comes into play. Click on the description field so it becomes editable, offering you the chance to enrich it with more information, such as a handy reference to another Jira issue. Now comes the part where you add the issue key. This issue key acts as a unique identifier for the Jira issue you'd like to mention and typically looks something like PROJ123. Go ahead and type this issue key directly into the description field. While you type, Jira often steps in to suggest issue keys that might match your intention, saving you a bit of time while helping to maintain accuracy. Once you've input the right issue key, be prepared for a helpful bit of Jira functionality. When you save the description, Jira automatically swings into action to convert your text into a clickable link. This transformation means that anyone reviewing this description can easily click on the issue key and be transported directly to the mentioned issue. It's a handy little feature that shouldn't be overlooked. To make sure these changes are set in stone, remember to hit that Save button. This final action ensures your link is active within the description. Let's switch gears a bit and talk about mentioning Jira issues in the comment section. The process here mirrors what you've done for the description field. Begin by typing the issue key, exactly as you did earlier. Jira will once again work its magic to automatically recognize and convert the text into a clickable link upon saving. This enhances project efficiency by providing quick access to related issues, which is the heart of good collaboration. Lastly, don't forget to click Save after entering your comment. This step ensures your mention is solidified and visible to everyone involved with the project. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily mention other Jira issues in both descriptions and comments, ensuring seamless navigation and collaboration. This feature not only keeps your team informed, but also helps streamline your workflow. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.